What do you expect? I'm filming. Ah. Hello guys, welcome back to Edible Globe 16, and today we're going to do an unboxing video, as always. So here's the story. First of all, 2 days ago, it was my birthday, and now I'm 17. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have a license, which it feels like I should. I really need one, because I want to drive. I want to tell you the cars I want someday. Well, so first, my grandmother gave me a 1959 Cadillac Series 62. I already have one, so I exchanged it, and I got the money back. Well, my grandmother did, and gave it to me. And she gave me this. It had $38 and now has $15.01. So I'll tell you what I got. So at Walmart, a different Walmart, not this one, I bought this, a 1988 Chrysler Conquest TSi, and a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. The packaging is damaged. And my mom got this at Dollar Tree, a 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. Sounds like toenail. Down here. So I use this to buy these. And on that day, no, this is today. I bought these today. So today, I saw two old Mustangs and a convertible that was maroon, and it looked like an Alfa Romeo or a Corvette C2. I was at Michael's, and the two Mustangs I saw earlier, one of them was at Family Dollar, this Family Dollar. It was a brown one, and I think it was an AutoZone in some auto repair shop in a different town where we were shopping. There was a mint blue Mustang. They were all first generation ones. Anyway, let's get to unboxing. So we'll start with the Conquest. TSi stood for Turbo Sport Intercooled. This version offered a more performance-focused setup compared to the base model. The Conquest TSi was equipped with a limited slip differential, which helped distribute power between the rear wheels. This is a San Marino yellow. Anyway. Check this out. Can this open? Yeah, it can't. It's got probably an inline 4. I'm disappointed. They should have V8s and inline 6s again. I mean, there still are, just they're not as common as like today, because cars today have inline 4s and V6s. Oh, dang it. The back wheels need better grip because the wheels are kind of pushed up. Anyway, this is the first release of our newly tooled Grand Sport chassis, rims, and rear spoiler. Equipped with a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, the 2018 Grand Sport delivers 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. And this is an Admiral Blue. Ow! Why is the packaging so sharp? Ah, goodness gracious. Anyway, here's the Corvette. It's got a white stripe. Alright, this runs well. Corvette hood opening. And last, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. Anyway, here we go. Looks like it has a smile and a nose. These are Alfa Romeo is a luxury Italian car dealer. And Chevrolet is actually a division of General Motors and Chrysler. Chrysler, I think it's now owned by Stellantis. Same with like, or is it Mercedes-Benz Group? They also carry like Dodge and Jeep. And Chrysler used to be related to Plymouth until Plymouth exploded. Not really. It just discontinued in 2001. And for General Motors, Oldsmobile discontinued in 2004 and Pontiac in 2010. And I'm very disappointed. Sorry, I still have Bell's palsy. It won't go away. I'm taking medication, but you know. I did have Lyme disease that a tick bit me, and 5% of ticks carry Lyme disease, and I got the 5%. Holy God. How crazy is that? But I'm taking antibiotics, which bacteria is releasing from my head, which is causing the headaches. And 2 days I was nauseous, with the second day, like, naturally nauseous because of the weather. Anyway, this is all for today. Let me know if you have real versions of these, like actual cars. Let me know if you have an 88 Conquest, a 2018 Corvette, and a 2023 Tonale. Wait a second. Primary colors: red, yellow, blue. Let me know which car you have, like which muscle car or vintage car, because I would like to know. I'm a car guy. And one more thing before I close. Actually, two more things. This, I name it Smitty. This one, I name it Coolant, because I'm running out of boy names. And this is Rico. And one more thing. So there's a car show downtown that I would like to go. And yeah, I'm gonna see a bunch of cool cars. Even my friend Anthony's old 1946 Willys CJ2A, a civilian Jeep. We'll see you all later.